when people are getting what color, they always wonder, well, where you get their name they from? It come from Angola, and it come from the Gola people. The first people were the thief from Alkebulan. Been the Angolan children. They've been the blacksmith. They've been the one working the metal and thing like that. You ain't been going to clear up all this your property with your dry hand. So then go on forget the other rest of children who been know how to do that thing. And just like when Hunter study about 1921 and things like that, and you look on this your property and you see them clear out wide like this shut now. People used to clear that thing with horse and plow in 1921. Ain't been no such a thing. I go in laws. I gotta get me a tractor. Ain't been no tractor, but that same mule, that horse and thing, and strap that plow on the back and pull up. And you had to know how to carry your road and make sure that road straight like a this. You ain't been gonna do them like a this guy, all kind of wobbly thing I see in these fields today. And get way. They ought to make you gone back, do them again. And that be one thing we elders would tell you. Hold on now. Go on back, do them again. So they ought to throw that hold on to you then too. But hold it. Hold it now. Sit up and get down here. Because y'all free tell y'all fool. Sit down right there. And vex my nerve getting to this. Sit. Okay. And you better sit there. Till it tell you move. And when it tell you for move, it can tell you just where you want on to go. You see? And for catting and bring them back to the family. So when I go out, Jonah, I always think about the elder. And send we school for go on yonder and get things, but bring them back to the family. And I say go on yonder and get everything for herself and keep them for just yon. It said bring them back so all of we can have things together. When Hunter see these your basket, what shape this basket is? A round, which is a what? A circle. I know in Gullah we just say round. We don't want to use the word circle for truth though. But for the other rest of children what they are. A circle, right? And you notice when the shouting been going on, what way it go? Round, in a circle. When Hunter look when we Gullah Geechee nation flag, you see that? What did it? A round is a circle. Because that circle means that everybody what they are. They're part of the connection. All of we that did together connect up to one another, one way or the other. And so, whatever Hunter put out in the circle, that what it do what? It go come back round. See, I know how Hunter children do. We throw something out, Jonah. You act like you're a fan, right? See? Y'all act like when y'all throw a thing out, you do like a this year. The thing fly off. No sir, no ma'am. Plant a time with a flying off to the seed. It plant right there. So you throw out bad seed, and then the bad harvest come. What you do? Lord, wait, come on me. Call the pastor. Call this one. You want to call everybody, but you ain't been to call them when you been to throw out that bad seed though. Because they could have dig up that seed right then, but you ain't call them but that. But we don't think about when it go out, it came back. But that's what we have to study about. When we hold on to one another in a circle, then you really get a grip on understanding, holding on to one another. Because then you know you're connected to the next one. You know, say, if you turn loose, you broke the circle. And that is why we used to sing that good old song, like, may the circle be what? Unbroken. It ain't have want nothing broke up. That's why when they were to tell you for sit down there and hold on a little while, they used to do that so you don't break up things what they in the house. Don't break up things what they in the community. You don't break up things what they in your family. You try to bring them all together. And all we get round one another. So that way, when one thing drop in the middle, all of we want something for dropping there where we can nap upon. Where we can all be full from. Where we can all be nourished from and things like that. So that's why we get together. And you see we flag the blue. You see it say we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Because what we want today in that circle, the anointing. We want that spirit of God to be upon we all the time. We want that blessing to fall upon we all the time. And you see, when I study about coming full circle, and I think about how many years this year been going on, and I've been there the first one they had 4 years ago. I taught about that. In African cosmology, it got life, They said birth, life, death, the afterlife. 14. And when you take them 14 and you put them on a paper like this here, you can draw a line and make 2 pyramids, one up and one down. But rather was, you take the pen and you go round. And that means that everything what been behind you, it leaves something coming forward. And everything you to do now, you're leaving something for them what came behind. Everything got a connection. But in the center of that thing they call a cosmogram, God half a did it. Blessing half a did it. Anointing half a did it. Because you see in the middle of this circle, a tree. And now that we family tree. Say all of we, who the Gullah Geechee, link up like this year. Say we can't be broke part. Because we all part of one thing. The Angolan had to join up with the Gullah after they stopped bringing the blacksmith in, because the land say, even though it make things like a horseshoe and it make things like an axe, it been a make sword and thing too and fight back for his freedom. So after a while they stop for bring them in. And they gone up yonder and get the Gullah who been a plant this your rice. And this your Carolina gold, what they call them. But they call we black gold. Gullah Geechee, black gold. And trust me, children, ain't nobody to call 100 children gold unless they know you're rich. So you have to know you're rich. You have to know you're anointed. Because we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. And when you hold on to them thing, what we elders and them done give we, trust, we all going to be blessed in this your circle. So for the Woodlands organization, and pray, say, God continue to bless you with abundance. Say, this your thing go going on and going on till 2021. So then they can mark the 100 years since them family come together right here. Because see, they had to come together in that circle. Don't think say they ain't shout off this whole property here. Shout them off. For it clear a tree, I could get them whenever you come in here. They've been to shout them down. You see, y'all think say that tab before by dry stuff, it probably fall for the shouting and the power will come in here. You understand? And that is the same thing we have to do together. Ain't no such a thing that from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida, and 35 miles inland in the Gullah Geechee Nation that we can't start a big old shouting circle and shout till the power come down from this year. Because they tell me everywhere I go around the world, Queen, we thought say the Gullah Geechee people be gone. We read about you, we thought y'all ain't be dead there no more. I said, well, look you, I da did you. Wanna see me, but you follow me home and there plenty more did it. Okay? And we da been you and we ain't a going no way. Why, children? Because what we have to do, hold on just a little while longer. Come on, y'all, hold on. Just a little while longer. Hold on. Just a little while longer. Everything why be alright until I fight home. Just a little while longer, fight home. Just a little while longer, fight home. Just a little while longer, everything going be alright. Gullah Geechee's everything going be alright. Until now everything going be alright. And just for the edification of those who have no idea what I just said, you just join me over to that table over there. I'll help you out, all right? But I want to say God bless y'all. Thank you again, Woodlands Club. Great job. Keep on pushing. And we going to all keep holding on together.